Hey everybody, Jeremy Rodriguez here, Senior Product Manager for Leatherman Tool. Today we're going to be talking about the greatest multi-tool of all time, the Wave, versus the king of multi-tools, the Surge. Which one's right for you? Let's find out. Wave was originally introduced in 1998 and became one of the greatest multi-tools of all time, while Surge was introduced in 2005 and quickly established prominence as the king of multi-tools. Surge is roughly about 30% larger than the Wave. Wave weighs in at 8.5 ounces, while Surge weighs 12.5 ounces. Closed length for the Wave is 4 inches. On Surge, it's 4.5. The blade length on Wave is 2.9 inches. On the Surge, blade length is 3.1 inches. Let's take a closer look at the main implement differences between the Wave and the Surge. The Wave has 18 implements while the Surge has 21. While the Wave has compact scissors and an eyeglass screwdriver, the Surge has some of the largest scissors in a multi-tool, robust jaws, an awl, and a blade exchanger. While both tools are great, the Surge is awesome for heavy-duty work, while the Wave is amazing for everyday carry. At this point, you're probably wondering what tool's right for me. Well, it's a personal choice. For me, I carry a Surge and a bit kit in every one of my vehicles. I also carry the Wave with me pretty much every day and have it at home for small DIY projects that might come up. Both tools are great. Both tools come with Leatherman's 25-year warranty, so they're going to be around for a long time, as long as you need them. If you want to learn more, you can visit our website where you can buy and even customize a Wave or Surge of your own. But more importantly, we're interested to know what tool is right for you. Let us know in the comments below, and we'll see you next time.